Kheron Gilpin here at the Sandwell Colleges, and we're about to launch Summer Student Conference 2026. Let's go have a look inside.
Today has been absolutely fantastic. I think the highlight for me was walking into the room and instantly feeling the vibrancy and the energy.
But now I know the truth of me.
Really enjoyed the warm up, the getting students engaged, kind of catching the bottle. All the students going around the room giving motivational speeches to each other. I think that was really kind of engaging. It made students kind of see each other, hear each other.
Student voice is paramount to any college, let alone Sandwell and the Sandwell family. It gets their ideas, their opinions, because realistically they're the ones studying here, so their opinions matter more than anyone else's.
I think that interactive approach made others feel more uplifted, happier, more confident. I wouldn't have wanted to listen to something, just a straight speech.
I think student voice is really important because it gives us a chance to speak about our experience and how we find the college rather than just the staff doing what they think is right for us. It gives us a chance to say what we know is right for us.
So we've come to the end of a highly engaging day. The students participated well. SLT was present, listening, and they're ready to act on what they learned. Staff was involved. What more can we possibly ask for other than getting help to pack away? Progress today.